Graton Resort Casino's resident mixologist. Whether you're throwing a get-together or just inspired by the seasons, the Pumpkin Alexander is the perfect cocktail to kick off fall. Today I'll show you how to make one. First, you'll start by filling your shaker halfway with ice. Then you'll add 1 ounce of brandy, half an ounce of pumpkin liqueur, half an ounce of Kahlua, half an ounce of cinnamon simple syrup, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin puree, and then add whipped cream and fill the tin halfway. Then you'll mix all of your ingredients thoroughly. Strain into a bucket glass with fresh ice. And you'll garnish it with pumpkin spice and a cinnamon stick. Beautiful, your drink is now ready to enjoy. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. I'll see you next time at Graton Resort Casino.